Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a very popular color. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, towing package, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. You are going to love the 2019 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, home-link garage door opener, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.